Do your plywood plant operations often stop just because a dust extraction hose tears? Wood dust is sharp and highly abrasive. Standard hoses wear out fast, start leaking, and then production gets interrupted. Nora's hoses from Germany are engineered specifically for dust extraction and material handling. They're abrasion-resistant, anti-static, and stay flexible for continuous use around CNC machines, sanders, and dust collectors. The result? Fewer hose replacements, lighter maintenance, and hose-related costs can drop by up to around 30%, depending on your plant's starting condition. Want me to review your application and recommend the best fit hose type? Comment. Wood.